Today we're heading to Lynn Canyon Conservation Area. It's a pretty special place. It has a suspension bridge, which is really cool. But first, we need to get some gas. $41.5 liters, $70.93 for a fill-up. That's just enough to make my day. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Club Fred. Today is day 8 of my water fast. It is the 29th of April, and this morning I weighed in at 206 pounds, so I've lost a total of 11.2 pounds. I feel fasting fantastic. There is absolutely so much inspiration in this place. I am so pumped to be here in this park right now, and I'm so glad that you're all here with me on this little hike. So today I want to talk about sleep. And the reason I want to talk about sleep is because, first of all, my sleep has been messed up, and that is the reason why the last couple of days I haven't put out a video. So it's day 8, right? And for the first number of days, I had the luxury of not having to worry about what to do or go to work or take care of others. And so I did what I recommend, which is be kind to yourself and treat yourself like a patient. And I slept as much as I could and whenever I wanted to. And that being said, that doesn't mean I slept more than usual, but I was staying up later and later. And of course, when you do that, when you go to bed at the right time, you can't fall asleep. And so you just get up later and later. And what happened to me was something I've struggled with in the past, with getting my circadian rhythm right, which is my nights became days and my days became nights. So those couple of days that I should have actually been putting out a video, I couldn't because I was getting up too late and there was no more daylight left in the day. Over the last several of my videos, I've sort of been covering off some of the things that can sabotage your fasting success. I talked about hunger, desire, and cravings, and then in the subsequent video I talked about how you need to be selfish and take care of yourself, and how sometimes your family can impede that. And today I'm just pinpointing the importance of having a proper and healthy sleep schedule. It's important that you go to bed at the same time and get up at the same time so that you can maintain a healthy circadian rhythm. And I think that is really helpful for your body to be functioning properly while you're fasting. So it was time for me to finally address that for myself, and over the last couple of days I struggled to get myself to the point where I could actually get up in the morning at the proper time. And this morning I was up at 6 a.m., which I'm happy about, and I'm going to make sure that I continue to do that for the rest of my fast. Now, one of the things I wanted to talk about was how my YouTube channel is growing, and I'm getting some interesting comments on my page. Some of them are funny and some of them leave me scratching my head, but the funny ones are, someone said, "Hey dude, you sound like Buffalo Bill. How often do you rub the lotion on your skin?" And another poster wrote, "Do you do wet farts?" That's all. Which, incidentally, if anybody else wants to know, no, I haven't had a problem with that at all. As a matter of fact, I don't really have gas. You know, when you're fasting, your bowels pretty much entirely shut down, and you don't have to have a bowel movement every day. Another guy said, "You need to eat meat, and you're going to die in 2 years. You'll be dead." And another guy said, "Oh, it's so cool. They found a new way to describe starvation. It's called water fasting." Of course, those of us water fasting enthusiasts who've tried it know this is not true. When we're water fasting, we're living off of the perfectly prepared and stored food that our body has placed in the case or the event of famine, and we have absolutely the most perfect food to nourish our bodies and to continue living our life without food. And so we're not starving at all. As a matter of fact, our bodies will not access muscle tissue even until after it's accessed all of our stored fats. So I have good news for you today. And the good news is this video is not going to be too long, because that's all I have to say today. And I hope everybody's well. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your comments. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. And as always, love yourself, stay safe, and be awesome.
Everybody wants to take them off.
I know. I thought about that too, right?